problem with curtains is they become magnets for cat hair. I don't know if you can, if the camera picks it up, but there's cat hair. These curtains are a cheap fabric, and I was going to replace them eventually anyways. They have claw marks, and they're being shredded by the cats. And anyways, I don't like curtains because the problem with curtains or drapes is they are cat hair magnets. This was a drape that I absolutely loved. It was behind the couch and in, you know, obviously a window. And the cats love to go back there, so they have absolutely covered it with hair. And these were expensive drapes. I hate to part with them, but I don't know how to get the cat hair cleaned off of them. That job, oh my goodness, that's disgusting. The cat hair. And I need a special cleaner, I guess. The lining of it is covered with hair. It's just disgusting. So anyways, while I have all these cats in the house, you can't have curtains or drapes. The problem with cats is they shred curtains. So I'm taking down these curtains, and I've got a solution. They look great, but one problem. I have a gap, but that's my fault. Because when I measured from here to there, and this is a 1/4 inch less space than right here. I was thinking that I would put the shutters attached to here, but that can't work. The hinge has to be on the outside. If the hinge were here, the doors wouldn't be able to open up all the way. So I goofed. But I know how to fix it. I have a solution. Time to go to the wood shop. So I have this 12-foot long, 1/4 inch thick, 1.5 inch wide, and I need to cut them 34 inches. I figure I need 3 braces. This will work, but I didn't have any more skinny like that, so I'm going to rip this right down the middle. So I've marked it and measured it, and I will use my table saw to split it down the middle so I can have 3 braces. That will help me to glue those in place. If there's a hurdle, we find a way over it. If there's a problem, we look for a solution. We must conquer the task, whatever it is. Nothing can stop us if we're determined. Alright, what's wrong here? I have my 3 braces. If there's a will, there's a way. I find a way. Okay, now we're ready for glue. I'm using Gorilla Glue. And I'm about ready to take this off. I think I could do better this way. Okay, that's a bit much. Yeah, I'll just use my fingers. My impatience. Well, I wanted a lot of glue. I got a lot of glue. Try not to get glue on my camera. Okay. Alright, now I want to put these in here to help hold them nice and tight. Wow, I made This is not the side that I wanted on here. I mixed up the doors. Wrong door. Okay, that's how I want it. Now I'll put the rest of these screws in. Good. That's how I want it. I don't mind that this shows there, because I felt like this part needed to be on the actual door. And that way it fits right in flush with the wall. Okay. Now with the other door. See, if you make a mistake and you put the wrong door in the wrong place, it's easy to fix. You just take the pins out and switch doors or flip it over or whatever. Great. So this is what I wanted, for it to be nice and flat, and I made them short because that way I could still have my curtains when I have them open. Now I have stuff here and I have stuff there, so I can't open it all the way. I may rearrange stuff so that I can push it all the way flat, but that's what I wanted because I like these curtains. And I wanted to keep them. That's why they're short. It works. It looks good. And the cats can still enjoy sitting in the window. When we downsized our windows, we put a shelf in the windows specifically for the cats. Well, that led to another problem. The cats shredded the curtains, but this is the only room that had curtains. Well, actually there's another one, but they haven't, but the window doesn't have a shelf, so they don't get up in that window. But this is the master bedroom, and I want privacy, so that's why I'm putting in the shutters. And also it was probably an invitation by having the cat tree right there in that corner. It's nice and easy to just open them up in the morning.